Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by measuring the gap at top, middle, and bottom so you know the worst spot to fix. This tells you whether to adjust hinges or add material. Once done, inspect posts and hinges for looseness or rot because tightening is faster than rebuilding. Make sure to have a level, shims, screws, and silicone sealant on hand. You will act immediately. You'll also clean debris from the jamb and swing path so adjustments are accurate and nothing binds during the next steps. You now focus on hinge and post adjustments because they control alignment. Loosen hinge bolts enough to shift, then position the gate plumb and red-iton while a helper holds it. If the gap is uneven, insert 1/8 to 1/4 shims behind hinges where needed. This gradually moves the gate without overcorrection. Once the gate sits true, cycle it several times to confirm no binding. If the post moves or shows rot, plan to sister or you finish by filling remaining gaps with appropriate materials: compressible weather strip for small gaps, a rubber sweep for bottom clearance, or a tapered wood strip for larger spaces, because this both seals and evens the look. Make sure to seal and paint or stain any added wood or exposed fasteners to prevent moisture damage. Once installed, test the latch several times. If it binds, trim or plane the added piece slightly and reseal. If adjustments still fail, check for hidden warp or a shifting post as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.